Hi, in this video I would like to show you how you can add additional storage to GitProtect.io. To see and manage storage, go to the Storages page by clicking the Storages button on the left side panel. Here you can see all your storage devices. You can see what type of storage it is, what is its name, the location, and the usage of that storage. GitProtect.io provides you with a free storage powered by Zopro. To add a new one, click on the Add Storage button on the top of the screen. The first thing you can set up is the storage name. Then you can choose what type of storage you want to add. You can choose from local storage, where you will need to add a path to a local directory, where you want the storage to be created. The directory will be created on the computer where the GitProtect.io agent is working on. Network location, where you need to provide a username, password, and a path to an SMB share. To add or select a password, click on the log icon. There you can choose from existing passwords you provided to GitProtect.io or create a new one. To create a new one, click on the Add New at the bottom of the panel. There you can choose a name for that password, enter the password itself, and add the description if you want to. After you enter all that, click Save. The next type of storage is AWS storage. You need to provide an access key, password, choose a region, and enter the bucket name. The next type of storage you can add to GitProtect.io is the S3 compatible storage, and with that Google Cloud Storage. For that you need to provide an access key, a password, a service URL, and the bucket name. You can also add a network file storage share, Wasabi storage, and Backblaze B2. For each type of storage you can add an optional description for that storage. After you fill all the required fields, click Save and your storage will be added to GitProtect.io. You have added your storage, click Refresh, and now you can see it among others available. You can browse it, edit, and remove it with the buttons on the right. And now you have successfully added a new storage to GitProtect.io.